welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I got up at 6 and then my camera didn't record my alarm, so I redid it to record at 6:10. If I did put that clip in here, if I didn't, that was so pointless. But anyway, so I've been up since 6 in the morning. It's now 7 after doing all my morning stuff and finishing the workouts. I'm so tired. I have not worked out in the longest time ever, so it hurt, and it wasn't even like a long time I feel like that I worked out, but because I haven't in forever and I'm very out of shape, it freaking hurt. This is your motivation and to also work out, you guys. My birthday is next weekend on the 21st, so I'm taking this week to get fit. I can already feel my waist disappearing. I'm just kidding, but I believe that I will see results by my birthday. I'll update you guys if I do. But I'm tired right now. I had my little pre-workout, not pre-workout, but like my pre-workout snack, which was my baby banana. I just got those baby bananas from this grocery store or an international market, and they're so good, but I just needed something little because I needed something before I worked out, so I didn't feel like sick, but I didn't need like a full meal or I would have felt sick. So I'm gonna take a shower and then eat an actual breakfast. And I'm not washing my hair because I just washed my hair last night, but I didn't even like sweat like that. Like I felt a little on my face, but not a lot, so I know my hair is not oily, or it shouldn't be. Also, you guys probably hear like my fridge and everything in the kitchen. It's so loud in the kitchen, I don't know why. I'm like, why does it make this much noise? Like I made my get ready with me the other day, or my makeup routine, and I put music throughout the whole thing because you could still hear it, but because there was such a big noise in this living room and it was coming from the kitchen, I'm pretty positive, because you probably hear it right now as I'm recording. But anyway, I'm gonna take a shower and wash my face. I didn't wash my face this morning just because I knew I was gonna work out and there would be no point because I'd have to take a shower and wash my face again. So I'm gonna wash my face in the shower right now and do my little skincare. And I can already feel my body getting sore right now. Hopefully that shower helps me not get sore. My boyfriend's still sleeping, so I'm trying to like be quiet. I'm gonna put my hair up in a high freaking bun for my shower. Routine after that, my skincare, my body care. It's 7:46 and I'm gonna make breakfast now. I got these things from Costco. I don't think I had them in my last vlog. I might have. If I did on my vlog, it was probably on my TikTok. I already opened one. It's the jalapeno and cheddar, or jalapeno and cheese one. So I put it in this Ziploc baggie, but it's really good. I'm gonna cut half of it and put that on the pan with oil and heat that up, and then I'm gonna make 2 scrambled eggs. I used to hate scrambled eggs, but there's only one way I will eat them, and the way I make them is just so good. And I cook all my food on stainless steel. These are the only pans that I have. I don't use any pans but stainless steel. They're better for your health and everything, and I know how to make them non-stick, so sticking to the pan is never a problem. That does not happen for me. But I heat it all the way up on high heat, okay? And then I put water in it, and once it like marbles around, or marbles, what? I don't know why I said marbles. That didn't even make sense. Once it like the ball of water kind of just floats on there, that's when it's ready. And then to make my egg, I turn it literally all the way down to like 2, and I put butter on the pan with avocado oil, and once it's lower in heat and not like high, I put the egg on there and I'll like mix it, and I'll take it off the heat, mix it, put it back on. They came out perfect. And I put the salt last. I found that when I put pepper on it while it's cooking, it just doesn't taste the same. I don't know why. And after I make my breakfast, I still need to do my face, my hair. I look crazy and I work at 10. Well, I have to be there at 10, but I already set everything up, so I really could be there at like 9:50 because she usually comes early, so I need to be there somewhat earlier because everything's already set up. I set it up yesterday for my last one yesterday for today. So I have to leave the house at like 9:25, I think, to be there at that time. I might have to leave a little earlier than 9:25. I have to see what traffic and everything is looking like. So hopefully I have enough time to eat and get ready, because I feel like I take a while to eat, not to get ready, but I kind of wanted to curl my hair. I might have to do that when I get back home from work. But I do only have one appointment today, so that's really nice. It's nice, but it's not nice because like it'd be nice to have more appointments, obviously, for making money. Also, my fridge just started making that noise again. But yeah, to make money, because everything costs a lot. But it's okay. I feel like it works out today for this video. Anyways, I'm gonna start cooking and eat because I'm starving. Food is all done. Ooh. I put the leftover eggs on the side because I like them. Only way I will eat my egg, but it's super good because this is like crispy. Go get them from Costco. And then the eggs are good on top, and I have my water to pair with it. I'm actually gonna take my vitamins right now as I'm eating because I feel like I never feel sick when I do that. This morning I'm only gonna take these 3, but 2 are the same. It's just my probiotic. Ooh, I almost dropped them. And then the cranberry pills, but you have to take 2 of these cranberry pills at once. So that's all I'm gonna take this morning, and then later on I'm gonna take different ones. And now I'm gonna eat because your girl is starving. And I don't pick it up and eat it because I don't want it to fall, so I use my fork so it's not messy. And I'm probably gonna go on YouTube or Good Doctor while I eat. And I'll see you guys once I start getting ready. I'm trying to talk quiet because my boyfriend is right across that door sleeping. But I put on a jacket because I'm freezing, and I just found out that it's like 50 degrees outside right now. It was 100 yesterday, and today the high is 84. I think, like, what? The weather did its big one yesterday, and then today it said we're chilling out. We're closer to fall. But I'm about to curl my hair, which the curls today probably aren't gonna last the longest just because my hair is freshly washed yesterday, and usually when I curl it the first time it falls out very quickly, even with hairspray and all of that. But it's 8:30 right now, so I have less than an hour to get ready, so hopefully I curl my hair really fast. Also, oh my gosh, thank you to everyone that has been subscribing to me. I hit 2,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited and I'm so happy, and I love you guys so much. deep brown. I'm trying to rush now because now I only have like 20 minutes. And I just brushed this on my eyebrows. It's like a gel and it adds tint. It was in my last video, my makeup routine, because this is how I do my eyebrows every day. But I love it because it adds tint and also like little fibers, which is great for me. And it makes such a big difference. Like, I wish I had eyebrows. I have hair everywhere else but my brows. And I clean up the excess that got like all over my skin with the wet Q-tip. I think I'm gonna do another go. Then I'm gonna take my brow lift and put that on my eyebrows. I feel like it makes my eyebrows look darker, but it also holds them in place, and I like that lamination look. Brows are done. Also, after I use the gel, I clean it up with the white Q-tip because I don't want gel just sitting on my face, but I use this to cover up my redness on my face. I like mix these two colors, sometimes this one, to like match my skin. This is Krylon. I got it from my esthetician school and like my kit. I actually don't like their makeup at all, but I like this one, especially for like my no makeup, you know? My no makeup looks. But I put it on this brush and I literally just tap it on my skin where I'm red, because I am red as a freak. Even when like my skin clears up, I'm just red. If you have any tips or tricks, let me know. If I ever find any tips and tricks to get rid of the redness and you struggle with it too, I'll let you know right away. I promise. No gatekeeping. And now I'm gonna take this bronzer and contour my nose. There's not a day where I will not contour my nose. Even for my no makeup looks, it has to like lightly be there, because I swear, even when it's super light, it still does something. And I mix both of these browns together because it comes with two. I mix both of them. I like to have them each once. Nobody wants a harsh line on their nose. I've had that happen before. It's quite embarrassing. And lightly contour, just so I have some type of like shadowing. I'm gonna pack my bag for work and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm putting in it. So because I'm recording today, packing all my batteries, I need to get like a little bag to put them all in, but I'm putting them in my purse pocket. I'm packing my Kate Spade wallet. His cousin actually got it for me. Well, I won it at her baby shower, so. And I'm packing this. It has like my lip stuff, which I haven't put on my lip stuff, but I probably will in the car. And then my hand sanitizer. I like this one. It smells like bubblegum. My boyfriend hates it because it smells like bubblegum. I love it because it smells like bubblegum. And this perfume. Which, what is this? Oh, it's Ariana Grande. I got this from my cousin. She didn't want it anymore and I smelled it. And I was like, oh, I'll take that. Give it to me right now. And then I'm also packing this hand cream. We don't want dry hands. I feel like I run into that problem all the time where I forget it and my hands feel super dry. Oh, and my iPad, which I need a new case because it's literally like peeling right now. I've had it for a while, but still, why is it doing that all of a sudden? So I need a new iPad case eventually, and then my iPad charger, which is all dirty from my boyfriend. And my other like really long charger broke. My cat chewed it, so we have the short one right now, but at least we got one. And I used the computer cube because it charges a lot faster. And of course, my business cards. I can't go anywhere without my business cards. And I would pack my covered spoolie, but I can't find it, so I'm just gonna have to grab another one for my suite because I have an endless amount of spoolies because I'm a lash tech. But I like the covered ones because they don't get bacteria and little fibers and stuff on them. I use the normal uncovered ones like when I'm giving a service, but to take home a covered one. And I'm also taking the tripod that you guys are on because it's a longer one and I think I might record for you guys. Maybe. We'll see. Lazy fit today because it's 60 degrees outside, so I'm definitely wearing my jacket and my sweats. I love sweatpants, but these are yoga pants, I guess. Favorite yoga pants that I own at the moment, so I'm wearing these. And you guys already saw my shirt earlier. If it does end up getting hotter while I am out, we'll see if it does. But yeah, and then my baggie. And oh my gosh, look at my plant. I'm watering her, but I don't know if she's coming back. I'm gonna put on my lip stuff before I go. I'm using the NYX Professional Lip Pencil in Natural. I really like this one. It literally is like a natural lip, hint the name. And then I'm using this lip gloss. I got it from Five and Below. I don't know if you guys have a Five and Below by you or if you've ever been, but I love them. I actually haven't been in a while. I want to go. They have so many things for $5 and below, but a lot of the time they have stuff too that's above $5, but it's still like good little items. Now I'm gonna leave and go to my job, which is my suite. It says I arrive at 9:50, so that's literally perfect. I'll probably get there a little later, but it's again fine because I set up everything. And after work, I don't know what the plans are for today. I think we do have to go to Trader Joe's or Target, maybe both. I don't know though. We'll see what we end up doing today, but today's a productive day. I did want to read my Bible this morning, and I also wanted to journal, but there's only so much time to do things, so I'm probably going to do that later. But I need to get in my Bible, and I really want to finish the Four Agreements because I started that book so freaking long ago, but I have not finished it. And my cousin just texted me about it because I think she just finished it. She was like, have you finished it yet? I'm like, no. And it's not that it's a bad book. It's a great freaking book. It's just, it's so hard for me to stay consistent, but my goal is to start staying consistent and being productive. So let's see if we do that today. I'll see you guys at my job. The lashes, I don't know if I'm gonna end up putting clips in. If I do, and the angles were okay enough to put in here. If I don't, it's because the angles just weren't giving. But now I'm gonna clean up and get ready to go home because there are things I still have to do today. So yeah, I'm super tired. I got up very early, but I went to sleep at like 10:30 last night, so that's pretty good. Proud of myself. Okay, I cleaned up my suite. I set it up for tomorrow's appointment, so I'm all set for all of that. Now I'm trying to think if I want to get a coffee because yesterday I got a coffee right at the Human Bean, but there's two different locations that I go to. There's one that is closer to my work, and there, whoa. Sorry, what just happened? There's one that's closer to my work, and there's one that's closer to like me leaving out and going towards my house. And I went to the one closer to my work yesterday because I was like, oh, I'm gonna get myself a coffee like in celebration of hitting 2K on YouTube, all because of you guys. I love you guys, oh my gosh. But so I went to go get a coffee, right, to celebrate, a little celebration, because like my 1K was a big celebration, 2K is still a big celebration, but I feel like my next like going out to dinner will be like 5K. My boyfriend said 10K. I was like, 10K, sir, slow your roll. But I will get there. Jesus will get me there. I have been praying, okay? And you guys are coming through. So anyways, I went there to go get a coffee, and I get my coffee, and it was not hitting. The Human Bean for the first time was not giving. So I was really sad because it literally tasted like watered down coffee. Like I feel like I had water with a shot of espresso. So that really sucked. And also, like, I should have said to remake my drink, but I don't know why I just didn't, which, like, really I shouldn't care because it's my money. Like, I spent $6 something on that drink, on my little medium drink, so I should have because I just paid. But I didn't even want to say anything because the girls, they're just, you know, like when you get a vibe from people, and like I just felt like they had some attitude, so I just didn't want to say anything, and not necessarily towards me, but like the energy was just off. And I heard another girl like say a smart remark to the other girl, so I was like, did they mess up my drink because they're arguing right now? Do not put your anger into my coffee. Because I tasted it, okay? I tasted the anger. Guys, what is happening? So now I'm like, do I get a coffee again, even though I just got one yesterday, to like, you know, kind of take place of that one from yesterday, since yesterday's was not it. So we gotta like redo it, you know, for the 2K subs. Also, I'm making a YouTube video, and I feel like it just fits more in the video on YouTube than like TikTok, because it's celebrating all of us, you know? If I could get everyone a human being on here, I would get you all a coffee. But we're all not here right now, and I also don't have money to be funding 2,000 human being coffees. If I could do that, I would be rich. Anyway, so should I get a coffee? Also, I've been drinking my water. I filled it up again. I don't know what cup this is, but I really want a Stanley. I want to be a part of the Stanley gang. Nothing's wrong with this one, but I want like a bigger one, and I want a handle. I don't like that I have to like grip the whole thing, you know? Like, I'd rather have like a handle. And I saw this really cute one in Target, so I really want to get it. I will eventually. But yeah, let's go get a coffee. Yes. I'll see you with a coffee, or I'll see you at my house with no coffee. I decided I am getting the human being because I'm celebrating, and they messed up my order yesterday, so that didn't even count. That cancels out. Messed up order cancels out the money I spent. So we're celebrating round 2 for YouTube because it's for you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys. I'm gonna get my regular order, which I'll put on the screen. I'm also gonna tell you guys it's a medium iced snowy mocha, and I add an extra scoop of snowy, a scoop of marshmallow, and a scoop of hazelnut. I have confidence that they're gonna... Oh, sorry. Wait, that was so embarrassing. I'm talking to you guys, talking to a camera. She comes out on the side door right here, and I'm sitting here talking to you guys. She's probably like, who is she talking to? Can we just take a moment and pause for the embarrassment that I feel right now? Anyways, what was I even saying? She scared the memory right out of me. Well, now I'm just gonna get my coffee, and yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get my coffee in celebration. Thank you. Have a good one. You too. I was just embarrassed to see her because of what just happened. She gave me 2 freaking coffee beans. She's real as freak. Why did he just look at me like, girl, you better stop, boy? Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys at the house. I'm recording a TikTok too, so if you see how I'm looking down here, just so you guys know. My coffee. It's super light today. I don't know if it's usually that light. I literally forgot. Taste test. That's my coffee. They did their thing. I need to go to this one more because this one's closer to me, and they always do their thing. It's like every time they make it better. In celebration of 2K on YouTube, thanks to you guys, everyone that has subscribed to me. I know I keep saying this, but I literally love you guys so much and appreciate you guys. I'm just so grateful. I'm so glad that you guys like it here, because you guys comment really sweet stuff, and I'm like, you like me? Like, I'm entertaining to watch, or maybe just, I don't know if I'm entertaining. Maybe you just like watching me. I don't know. But I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, I love you guys. I want to talk to you guys. I want to give you all a big hug. It like means the world to me that you guys found me, and you guys were like, oh, subscribe. Every time someone subscribes, I'm like, I love you. I want to do a giveaway eventually, just because like, you guys, like, people are why people get to where they are. Does that make sense? Like, even in my business, in my lash business, I'm getting successful because other people choose to come to me. Same with like content creators. We're giving them that platform and helping them with their career. Same with like Hollywood stars, singers, celebrities, all of that. Like, the only reason they're celebrities is because of all the people that like them and stay tuned and support them. It's just like, it's so beautiful to think about how like everyone really helps everyone else, whether you know that or not. You're literally helping people, whether that be a business, whether that be a content creator, whether that be a celebrity. Like, everyone's helping those people, because without everyone else, you're nothing. Or, I don't want to say you're nothing, because you always mean something. So I feel like that sounded really wrong, because without everyone else, you're still something, okay? You still mean the most. You mean everything. You have value now. But I'm saying, like, without all of these people, no one would have careers. No one would have money. Is this all making sense? Am I just confusing? I don't really know how to talk, and the words that I know, I feel like I don't know a lot. I need to start reading a dictionary, because I just feel like I need to educate myself some more, and I'm going to. Because sometimes I'm thinking, and like, what the freak? Like, how do I describe what I'm trying to say? And sometimes I just lose all thought, and I know the words, but I just can't put them together. I'm just speechless. But Yeah, so I hope that made sense. I hope people know what I'm talking about. Somebody please tell me why my recording thing keeps stopping, because I'm not pressing it. Halfway through the video that was on here, it literally stopped recording, and I said so much, and I went to like end the video, and then it started recording, so that means I wasn't recording the whole time, but I never stopped it because you guys were literally in front of me. My hands were not on you. I did that earlier too a few times, and I was like, am I doing something? Am I touching it and forgetting? I'm not. But yeah, I don't know why that keeps happening. It's been a while since I got out of the car and came in here. I was talking to my boyfriend about my birthday plans. I'm going on a trip to see my bestie. I'm excited. But now that we've discussed that, it's been a while later, and I'm going to make us sandwiches. I'm eating my sandwich on a sourdough bread. He's eating his on that stuff I ate this morning. So I'm gonna make us some sandwiches. And after that, I'll probably read my 4 Agreements book, or I'll be reading my Bible and taking notes on that. We'll see which one. Either one, I'm gonna take notes on them, because I always like to take notes on the 4 Agreements, because I think it has so many good life outlooks, is that what it's called? On life. So yeah. But let's make some sandwiches right now. I made the sandwiches. Mine's right here. I always, in the apples, but I always cut up the extra tomato that doesn't fit on my sandwich, and I put it on the side with some salt. I like tomatoes a lot, so yeah. But my healthy girl sandwich, look at her. About to devour it right now. And his sandwich looks so bomb. Was it good?
It was good. I don't know about that bread for a sandwich.
It was mozzarella. I feel like the other one would have been better.
I don't know. I didn't like that. It was just like harder. It's like a crust.
Should have just ate mine. My bread. No. My bread's good. His look good though, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my food and watch this video with my boyfriend, and we'll see what happens next. I got hair in my mouth. Quick outfit change. We're going to Target because I'm gonna make, sorry, I'm trying to show you guys my outfit too. Regular jeans I always wear, because if you know, you know. I have nothing that fits me right now. But we're going to Target because I'm gonna be making macaroni tonight. If you guys have watched my vlogs, you know I've been saying I'm gonna make it for a while. And I am today. He finally gets his mac. Not just his mac, the mashed potatoes, the steak bites. I think I'm gonna make cornbread too. But yeah, so we're going to Target so we can get all of that. Not all of that, but like a few things that we still need. Okay, I'm picking out the cheese. We got this meat. This is the meat we got. We need a Colby Jack. I think we have medium cheddar, but we might have sharp cheddar. I don't know. You need a basket? What is up with this one? It's like somebody took all the leftover cheese from the factory and smushed it together. And then we need salami. Do we need anything else? Guess that's it, guys. We actually weren't done. We need cornbread stuff and heavy cream. I don't see any cornbread. Oh, you know you could say something.
See the brand that we always get that.
Yeah, what is that brand? Because that isn't it. Haul of what we got from Target. I don't know if I said everything. We got some broccoli. This is gonna be the vegetable of the day today. And then we got medium cheddar, Colby Jack. I think you guys saw this part. And sharp cheddar. We got heavy whipping cream. I need this for the mac and for the mashed potatoes. Macaroni noodles. Some Jiffy. We always get a different brand. I forgot what it was, but they didn't have it. We just saw this. But I'm still gonna make it taste good. I add more butter in it. I don't even know if this one takes butter. It doesn't, but I add butter in it. And I also add honey to like put my own little twist on the cornbread. Did I already show this? We also got these steaks. I'm also gonna grab, I love doing this with the nails and I don't know. But I'm grabbing this kombucha because I'm trying to stay healthy today, which I forgot to take my other vitamins halfway through the day, so I will just take them with my dinner tonight. Hopefully I remember. I would say remind me, but we're not streaming. I can't open this. Can you open this for me? He opened it for me, so we're all good. I always put a glass straw in here or a metal straw just because, why? It's just cuter that way. So I drink it with a straw. This one tastes more pineapple-y. It's tropical pineapple. Let's go read our Bible and take some notes. This is your reminder to spend time with Jesus. Pause this video and go read your Bible. I'm on the New Testament. I think this is the last one on the New Testament. I could be really wrong, so I don't want to say that and have like a whole other chapter of the New Testament. So this isn't the last chapter of the New Testament. Wait, how many more chapters of the New Testament do I have? I'm not at all through the New Testament. I don't know why I thought the New Testament was just like them and their stories, but it's so many other chapters. I was getting confused at this page. I was getting confused at this page, but this page is completely separate. I thought these were a whole bunch of other like chapters from the New Testament, but I think this is just the Old Testament and this is the New Testament, and then it's just saying all of them right here, and New Testament's NT and Old is OT. If I'm wrong, please correct me, but that's what I think. And I kind of like highlight as I'm reading the chapters, and then once I highlight, I like take notes on it. I have these highlighters and I use the pink and the yellow one for, well, the pink one I use more for like, this is really important and I really want to remember this and like I have stuff to say about it, so I'll highlight it and then I'll write it in my book and I'll put it in the same like highlighter, and then I'll like talk about it and say what I took from it or say what it meant to me or whatever. And then the yellow one is kind of just stuff I still want to know and I still think is important, but I just feel like I talk more about the pink ones. I hope that just made sense. I don't really know. And I don't know if there's any rules to like how to read the Bible and how to take notes. That's just what I do. I always overthink and I'm like, am I doing it right? Am I supposed to do it like this? But I don't see why there'd be rules to it because it's my Bible and my relationship with God. So I'm doing this. I feel like it has to be right. But yeah, so that's what I do. And like whenever a new chapter starts, like the New Testaments, I always title it on a different page, the New Testament for our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and then I'll put the gospel according to, and this one's Luke. The other ones were different people, so I would like put that, and then let me show you so you can understand what I'm talking about. Like the new chapter right here, and then this is like who he is or how he, this is basically like a summary, I'm pretty sure, of like Luke, right? Correct. And I'll like highlight what I want to write down and I'll put it over here just to kind of sum up that part or that person and whatever, and then I'll continue to read it, highlight and write as I go, and then say my notes and what part it's from. Like I highlighted, let's see, like this one said, but of that day and hour no one knows, not even the angels in heaven nor the Son, but only the Father. And it was Matthew 25:13, so it's M-A-T-T, the period, 25, those two other dots, I don't know what they're called, and then 13. So however it's written in the book, that's how like I'll put it in my notebook like that. So yeah, just some of the tips of what I do. But again, I think everyone might do it differently, and if you have any tips on how to do it or better ways or your ways, let me know, so you know I could see what you guys do and maybe I want to do that too. But I'm gonna start reading my Bible and taking notes.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, King will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your wedding, going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go.
So update, we're no longer cooking that whole planned out dinner. Update, we're no longer having that dinner. Instead instead I'm making something fast so that we can chill and eat and hang out instead of just make that for hours and then eat and then go to sleep. So we're not doing that tonight, but we have all this stuff for another night, and I already shredded one of the cheeses. So now that's out of the way because that was the biggest and the most frustrating one, because mozzarella, if you know, is so hard to freaking shred. It was like ripping apart as I was shredding it. So yeah.
This one I got you with the job. I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that down. Biggie man, we don't be where I back that. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the bend, the cash, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the bend, the cash, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take one way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley. Schemes and packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. Port I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby, I want enjoy.
This is the final result. I have them on my mashed potatoes that I had last night. And then I made a lot more today, so I put them on the side because I love mushrooms and these taste so good. This is his plate. I made him these jalapeno cheese rolls. And then, yes, it is canned chili for like quick things. And then I made homemade french fries. These are the vibes right now. I have all my pumpkins lit. We got these pumpkins. Actually, I think I vlogged it when we got these. And they're up over there with our Legos. It's been a while later. I'm gonna take my vitamins. This is fenugreek, 2 of them. Fun fact about fenugreek. If you take fenugreek every day, you start smelling like maple syrup everywhere. But I think I'm gonna read in my book, The 4 Agreements, because he's laying down and I'm gonna lay down. But this is the book, The 4 Agreements. I recommend this book. So that's where I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog of my productive day in a life. Stay tuned for more videos. Remember to like and subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.